Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a seamless gradient blend in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened the new Canva project. First, I just add a gradient background. Like we use this blue now. I'm going back to the elements and use the same image. Now I just remove the background and go into the apps and type blend. And we need the image blender. This blue application, do not mix with the blend image, which is also image blending application, but with a bit different features. So now we need the image blender. So we need to click on the image, what we would like to use, and we can change between blend and fade. So unfortunately, the blend is a pro feature, so we need to upgrade to this image blender pro. So we just use another fade, and here we can choose between three different options: linear, radial, and brush. But the brush is already as you can see, a pro option. So we can change between the linear or radial blending. Now going back to the linear, we can change the direction, also the length, and also we can change the strength. Like this, decreasing the strength a bit, like this, and we just need to click on save. And now we already have this, actually not really blended, but it's more like faded image, but it's a really nice tool in a Canva. Already the free options are really nice, but the pro is also highly recommended if you really want to use this blend function. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling editing in the Canva or just have a question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And of course, if needed, I will create a tutorial about the question. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find short form Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.